The invalid SIM card error on your SafeLink phone means your phone isn't recognizing the SIM. This often happens after network upgrades or due to activation issues. First, ensure your SIM card is properly activated through the SafeLink app or website. Verify the SIM side by dialing #6. If your SIM is PIN locked, retrieve the PUK code from your SIM packaging or by calling SafeLink support at 1-800-378-1684. Digital tools such as the SafeLink app now offer self-service activation, with wait times reduced to under 2 hours. Remember, older SIM cards might not be compatible with newer network infrastructure, especially after 2024 Verizon upgrades. A simple but effective fix is reseating your SIM card. Power off your phone, remove the SIM tray using a pin, gently clean the SIM contacts with a dry cloth, and firmly reinsert the SIM. This resolves about 70% of cases. If the problem persists, consider a factory reset of your phone or testing with a different device to rule out hardware issues. SafeLink is increasingly utilizing AI-driven diagnostics in its app to guide users through fixes, potentially reducing support calls significantly. The future involves a shift toward eSIM technology, which should eliminate physical SIM errors. Be aware that environmental factors can also affect SIM integrity, so consider using a protective case.